Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the prompt raw logging checkbox to enable a message that means when you set your base up, you're going to get notified to start that raw data logging to ensure that you get your static point on your base setup. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to my bottom left corner here and click on the plumb bob icon. That's going to bring up my main menu, and if I select settings and then options here, what I'm going to want to find is my GNSS option here. And if I scroll down just a bit, you're going to see this prompt raw logging checkbox. And when I have that checked and I hit OK, what that's going to mean is when I connect up to my base station and I start my base station, it's going to prompt me to record raw data. It's going to come up with a message that says, do you want to record raw data right now? Yes or no. So it's just a good way to remind yourself to record static data if you're going to a job site that you need to ensure you got static data on that base point because you don't have any known control. Or for any other reason, maybe you want to do some PPK after the fact. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use FieldGenius to set up a reminder to record raw static data on your GNSS base station. If you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel or around the surveying space in general, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.